Hi guys, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 from Audio Direct, and we've picked up this Jaguar XK from one of our customers, and we're going to be transforming his daily drive. See this? It all functions very well. These normally have a problem with the CD mechanism. This one is a rare one, it's working fine, but it offers no infotainment, no connectivity, so that's where we come in. Full Tesla screen coming soon. Hi guys, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 from Audio Direct, and the big cat is complete. Here is that magnificent screen. It's really hard for the camera to actually pick out the quality and the depth. These are the equivalent of OLED screens, to be honest, the screens that we use. Beautiful. It's pitch black. I know it looks grey on the phone. That's to do with just the contrast and the phone not being able to pick up the quality of this screen. Built-in wireless CarPlay, video, Bluetooth, music, calculator if you ever need it as well. You've got, of course, swipe across, and you've got numerous icons that you can drop and change, and this even has the equalizer built in, so you can adjust all your sound to exactly how you like it. Beautifully responsive screen. Google Maps, Play Store as well, navigation as well is built in. YouTube, I mean, it's self-explanatory. When you're on the go, it shows you your speed as well, your AC as well, showing you your temperature and your fan control. It's ice cold in here. This car is such a nice example of Jag XK. And as well, when we engage reverse, we've put a super wide angle HD camera in there. It's still working with the factory parking sensors as well, so we know that the camera is not doing justice to this particular screen, but we also know that the owner is going to be over the moon to receive his car back with the latest screen. Yet another successful project and a big smiling happy cat. Audio Direct, 𝗏𝗏𝗏.